So this is ZeroPay Confidential Payroll that is built on the 0G minutes and also using Action Compute for confidential payment system here. Here the employer connects his wallet, which is going to use to create his company name with what he's going to be producing, which is a banji with an industry, a manufacturing industry, and the company says which is going to have, and he creates his payroll system, which is going to use to be paying his employee. And at the left hand side, you can see the different features there, which is the workforce attendance, payroll, and the 0G storage and the invite. So he's going to be adding his employee by clicking the add employee tab here, where he enters their name, their work email, their wallet address, with the department which they are going to be working, the rate at which they are going to be working per hour, and then their job title. And once they click the register button, this sends an onboarding email to each employee, which they are going to use to actually onboard themselves at their own end before they are going to be able to clock in on the employer's tab here. So we are going to also add a second employer, which is also Sarah, wallet address, email, wallet address, department also. Then when she onboard herself, when both employees onboard themselves, the form being showing as an invite sent, it changes to them being onboarded. See here, we have an invite sent. Then later on, their status that is on pending will change to onboarded when the employee actually accepts the onboarding email to ask Sarah. After they've accessed, then this is Sarah now. She have accepted, entered her wallet address, or she can actually connect. Then she can enter her email and she have access to her dashboard to see how much she's going to be paid and features. Now, the employer now can actually clock in both employee, and then later after. And then you can actually onboard the auto pay, which is the AI agent that can make payment once. Now, after working over the day, then you can actually, after clocking out, we see the hours that each employee have worked, and we see a cumulative amount of hours that they've worked in total. Then we use the Action Compute to compute the 0G storage to compute the payments which they are going to use to pay each employee. Then after the Action Compute does, you can see that now their payments have been computed, and you can hit the Payroll to run a batch payment for both employee immediately, so they receive their salary at their end. And you can see the AI agent taking logs of every activities done. The payment history and the transaction history also showing. You can see the 0G storage also taking information when it's done. And this is Sarah's tab. She is going to enter her email address again to actually see that she's been paid and the hours she's worked, the analytics there, and she can actually see the amount when she clicks review to see.